Let's take a look at the greenhouse effect. Here we can see planet Earth at the bottom of the screen. And way off in the distance, though not quite the millions and millions of miles away that it should be, the Sun. Every day, vast amounts of heat and light travel across space from the Sun to planet Earth. As you can see, the planet is protected by this thin blue line, which represents the planet's atmosphere. Now, some of the heat from the Sun and some of the harmful ultraviolet rays are filtered out by the atmosphere. So as we can see in this close-up, the Sun's rays hit the atmosphere and some of them pass through the atmosphere, and that helps to heat up the planet's surface. Some of the heat is reflected from the planet's surface back up towards the atmosphere and is able to pass out into space. So what happens when we have the greenhouse effect? As we build up more and more greenhouse gases through burning fossil fuels and through other forms of pollution that we put into the atmosphere, we build up a layer of gases in the atmosphere that create a kind of greenhouse for our planet. The Sun's energy still passes through space to reach the atmosphere. Some of the harmful rays are taken out by the atmosphere, but then the heat still passes through and warms the planet's surface. Some of that heat is reflected back up towards the atmosphere, and some of it still passes out into space. But because of the greenhouse effect, with all those gases helping to trap the heat from the Sun, some of that energy bounces back to the planet's surface. And that means that the planet gradually starts to get warmer. So that's the greenhouse effect.